This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm just off Northwest Highway in Arlington Heights near a Metra stop that connects to downtown Chicago in just over half an hour, and I'm headed for a tour of an apartment at Central Park East. Central Park East has an appealing suite of amenities that includes a heated outdoor pool, a grilling area adjacent to the pool, a nicely equipped 24-hour fitness center, a business center with computer workstations, and a 24-hour clubhouse with Wi-Fi. I've just walked into an A2, one-bedroom plus den model unit. Coat closet is off to the left as you enter, and there's wood-look plank flooring. Just beyond the coat closet is a full-size stackable washer-dryer with a little additional space for storage. Then you walk into a great kitchen dining area. It's been updated with stainless steel appliances, honey-colored cabinetry, a sleek gray glass tile backsplash, it's a dishwasher, and a built-in microwave. Then a window in the dining area looking southwest out toward the treetops and toward the amenities. Pool, sun is just starting to come out. This great wide balcony spans the width of the living and dining area. Closet with individual heating and air conditioning units. As I turn around, I'm looking at a volume ceiling that just soars. Wood-burning fireplace. Then a sizable den. Make a great home office. Space even for a day bed to accommodate overnight guests. Very appealing, very attractive space. So I head toward the bedroom. There's a linen closet. A very generously sized bedroom. Space for just about any size furniture. And you look at these closets. Overall, the unit has great closet space. Vanity is separate from the tub, shower, toilet compartment. Has a wood frame mirror. And the bath has a tandem entry. A second vanity. So you can enter the full bath either from the hallway or through the bedroom. This is a very appealing apartment. I'm told it's one of the most popular in the development, this layout. Central Park East has a great location. If you're looking for an apartment in Chicago's northwest suburbs, you really ought to have it on your must-visit list. It's a great space, very appealing. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.